Hi, welcome to our channel Saha Computer Education Center. In this video, we will see a complete demonstration of a completely new attendance sheet template for your employees. This template is full of new features and it is completely video free. I hope you have never seen this type of attendance sheet template anywhere before today. So, before we begin, a small request. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get the notification when we introduce a new template for your business, office or school. And if you have already subscribed to our channel, a lot of thanks to support us. If you are interested in this template, you can visit our site www.shahacomputer.co.in and download this template. The product link is also given below in the description box. So, without wasting any more time, let's explore this template. So basically we have two worksheets. First one is setting sheet, second one is attendance master sheet. With the help of these two worksheets, we can create multiple attendance sheets for years. So first let's understand the settings worksheet. In this setting sheet, first we have the month list from January to December. This list will be displayed in every attendance sheet as drop down list. If we go to master sheet, here we can see the month name, and if we click here, we can see this drop down list shown, and you can select the month name from this drop down list. So you can change this drop down list according to your need. Suppose you want this list from April to March, just delete this list and enter the names of the month according to your need. Next, we have the year list. In this list, we have 5 years starting from 2023 to 2027. And this list will also be shown in every attendance sheet like the month list. Let's go to master sheet. Here you can see the year, and if you click this list, you can see the drop down list from 2022 to 2025. You can select any year from this list according to your need. But if you want to change this list, then you can easily change it. Suppose you want to create an attendance sheet of past years like 2022 or future year like 2028, which is not in this list. You can delete these years and create your new list. But remember, you can create only 5 years. And if you change this list, the previously created attendance sheet will not get affected. Now we'll understand the weekend type. Here in this weekend type, we have a drop down list containing two items, same and different. Suppose you have same weekend for all the employees, then you have to select the same. And if you have different weekend for different employees, then we have to select different. And based on what you choose, same or different, will set up the weekend days. If you choose same, we'll set up the weekend days in this table, and if you choose here different, we'll set this up in the attendance sheet. For now, we will keep it as same. Now we will understand the weekend setup. So in this list, we have to enter the names of your weekend days. If you select in the weekend type same option, then you will get here a drop down list of the names of the days. But if you select here different, then you will not get any drop down list. So let's understand both the case. First, same. If you have same weekend days, you may have a single weekend days or two weekend days. If you have single weekend days, in the first cell, select the weekend name and delete the second one. But if you have two weekend days, then you have to enter both the names in both cells. Like this way, first one is Saturday and second one is Sunday. You may also enter Sunday and Saturday, that doesn't matter. But if you have different weekend days, you will not get any drop down list, and these values doesn't affect the attendance sheet. Now, in this case, you have to enter the different weekend for different employees in the attendance sheet in the week of column. you have to enter the values here, and based on what you have entered, different things will happen. Like here we have taken same, and the weekend is Saturday and Sunday. So we can highlight the weekends. Let's suppose I uncheck this. If I go to master sheet, you can see no weekend days are highlighted. But if I check this one, it is highlighted now. And another thing, that is, if you want to log the weekend, here if I want to put any attendance mark, you can see we can enter. But if we log this cell, then you cannot enter any value. Let's delete this and let's type again. You can see we got an error message. The input data is invalid or the cell is locked. See the setting sheet. Cancel. So in this way, we can log the weekend days also. Now let's understand the week start. In this option, you will get a drop-down list of the names of the day. You have to select a day from which your week starts, and this option will help you to calculate the weekly report, and if you want, you can highlight the week start day. So let's see. Here we have selected Monday. So if we go to master sheet, and here Monday is not highlighted, and if I go to settings and select highlight week start, you can see the week start days are highlighted, and if you don't wish, just uncheck it, and the calculation part you will understand later. Next we have month start. As you know, it is not obvious that every attendance sheet should start from 1st of every month. In some case I have seen the attendance sheet starts from 5th or 10th of any month. So in that case we need this function. Now here you can see the value of month start is 1, and if you go to the attendance sheet, then you can see it starts from day 1 and ends on 31st. But if your attendance sheet starts from 5th, then change it to 5 and go to attendance sheet. Here you can see your attendance sheet starts from 5th the day of the month and ends on 4th of the next month. So this is how it works. Next we have the holiday list. In this setup we have two columns. First one is holiday names and second one is holiday dates. Here you have to enter the names of the holidays and the dates that you observe. Remember, you cannot put only dates. You have to put both the holiday names and the dates. The purpose of this holiday list is to calculate the report, highlight the holidays, and lock or unlock the holiday columns. So let's see. If I want to highlight the holiday columns, here the 9th of May is a holiday, but it is not highlighted. You can see 9th of May, this one. Now if I click on highlight holiday, then go to attendance sheet, you can see the holiday is highlighted. And if I uncheck, then it's gone. Now here if I want to type any value, you can see I can enter the value. But if I lock the holiday, then type here again P, you can see we got an error message. The input data is invalid or the cell is locked. See the setting sheet. Cancel. So in this way the holiday list works. Now we will understand the attendance type and the legends of attendance. In this setup we have three columns: attendance names, attendance legend, and attendance type. In the attendance name we have to type the names of the attendance, and in the legend column you have to type the short form of the legend that we will use in the attendance sheet. But remember, don't use any duplicate value like this. Then you will get an error in the report. And in the type column, if the attendance type is leave, then type leave, else keep it blank. And also remember, the first 4 rows are fixed. Don't change them. And additionally, you can enter more 6 attendance type. In total, you can add 10 legends for your attendance sheet. And you cannot enter any legend except these legends you have entered in this legend column. Let's see. If I go to master sheet and here in 10th of May, if I type P, you can see it is accepted. Now, if I type any other legend other than in the list like L, it will not get accepted and you'll get a message the input data is invalid or the cell is locked. In this case, the input data is invalid. Cancel. You can see the value is deleted. In this way, this setup works. Now we have report type. In this case, you don't need to do anything. Keep this list as it is. Now we have data validation. I have already shown you how to log the weekend and log the holidays. So now we don't need to understand anything more. And next is the highlight. Here also I have shown you the week start date, weekend and holiday. We'll understand this Saturday part. In some attendance sheet, we need to highlight the second and fourth Saturday or any other. So let's see how to highlight the second and fourth Saturday. So if I check this one, second and the fourth, you can see in the attendance sheet, the second Saturday and the fourth Saturday is highlighted. Here you can see this is the first Saturday and this is the second Saturday, this is third Saturday and this is fourth Saturday. Similarly, if you want to highlight other Saturdays, then just check this third Saturday. You can see third Saturday is highlighted. In this way, you can highlight your special Saturdays. So, we have understood everything in this setting sheet. This is the one-time setup that you have to do before starting your attendance marking. Now, we will understand about the master attendance sheet. But before that, I know after watching this demonstration, you will find some small limitations about this template. But if you write me all these limitations in the comment section, I will surely upgrade this template and present it before you. And if this video gets 10,000 likes and 1000 comments for the tutorial video, I will surely create a tutorial video of this template. So hit the like button and share this video with all your friends as much as you can. And do not forget to share your views in the comment section. So this is the master attendance sheet we will use to create for our future attendance sheet for any month. So first we'll explore this master attendance sheet. You can see in the top left corner you can insert a logo of your company, and on the right hand side you can enter the company name and the company address. Just below this we will get the drop down list for month and drop down list for year. You can select both the month and the year for which you want to create the attendance sheet. So now let's move to the employee details. In column B we have the employee ID, in column C we have the employee name, and in column D we have the designations. It is always better to update all the employee details before creating this attendance sheet. But you can also add new employees in the newly created attendance sheet. And if you have different weekend for different employees, then you have to update the week off column for all the employees. But if you have same weekend day, you can just clear this week off column. And next, this is the attendance area from column F to column AJ to enter your attendance mark. For marking the attendance, there are several settings that we have to do in the setting sheets. So before creating the new attendance sheet, we will do some settings. So let's go to setting sheet. Here, for now, we don't need to change the month list, day list, year list. And the weekend type will be same. The weekend days will be Saturday and Sunday. Week start date will be Monday, and month start date will be 1st of month. And the holiday list is okay. And in the attendance legend list, we have to add one new attendance, that is medical leave. Legend will be ML, and this is a type of leave. And here we want to log the weekend and holidays, and we want to highlight the weekend and holiday. We don't want to highlight any other things. Then again go to master. You can see the holidays are highlighted and the week offs are also highlighted. And as we have the same weekend type, we will clear this week off column. Okay. Now, always remember that the attendance area of the master sheet should be always clean and free from any attendance marking. Now, we will understand the report. So, we have four types of report. You can see here a drop-down list. So, four types of leaves are daily, today, weekly and monthly. If we select daily, then we will see the report of a particular date, and the date should be given in this text box. And if we select today, we will see the report of today's date. And if we select weekly, we can see the report of current week. And monthly report will give us the report of total month till the current date. And here we can see 7 cards with attendance names and percentage. This card will show the total attendance percentage of all the employees for a given period selected from this drop down menu. And on the right hand side, we can see a table. So this table will change according to this drop down list. If we select daily or today, then it will show the table in this way: the employee ID, employee name and attendance. Here you will see the attendance, like if the employee is present, then you will see here present, and if the employee is absent, then you will see here absent. But if we select weekly or monthly, then the table will be different. You can see here. You will get the total count of the present, absent, half day, weekly or leave for a given time period selected here. And on the top of this table, you can see the graphical representation of the total attendance of all the employees. Now we will create an attendance sheet for the month of May 2023. For that, right click on the Master Sheet tab and click on Move or Copy. Then select Move to Copy and check this Create a Copy. Then click OK. You can see new attendance sheet is created. Name this sheet, right click, click on Rename, then type here May 2023. Now you can change the month name and year if it is required, but we have already set those before. Now your attendance sheet is ready for attendance marking. So let's understand how to mark the attendance. Today is 20th of May, so you cannot enter any attendance after 20th of May. Even if you enter after the 20th of May, then it will not calculate. And always remember, you cannot enter any legend in this attendance area that is not given in the legend column of the setting sheet. And you cannot enter any legend in the weekend and holiday columns if you lock the weekend and holidays. So now we will enter the attendance mark. If you want to mark the attendance one by one, then type here P and press the tab button if you want to go to the right. And if you enter below, then type P and press enter. But if you want to mark the bulk attendance, then select the attendance area like this and type P and press Ctrl enter. You can see all these cells are filled with present. So in this way, fill the attendance area till 20th. As you are still with me in this video, that means you like this video. So please hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you have not yet done. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section. Now we will check the report. So first select here daily, and you can see the date is given here 5th May 2023. So we will check for the 8th. So type here 8th May 23. So go to the right hand side, you will see here that these employees are present, these employees are absent, and graphical representation is showing here. And if we go to today, then for today it is 28th, there is no attendance, so you can see it is completely blank. And if we go to weekly, then from this date to this date, 15th to 19th, the result is in this way. Employee 1, 2 present, 1 absent, 0 half day, 2 work from home, and 0 leave. And this is the graphical representation of all the employees. 108 present, 10 absent, 1 on half day, 1 on work from home, and 2 on leave. This way, you can also see the monthly report. You can see here. But here is some problem, that is the card, it is all showing a 0. So for that you have a solution. Just go to the formula here, formula bar. So if I click here, this is the text box, and here is the formula D7. Just press enter, we'll get the result. Sometimes it is not updated, so you have to update it manually for the first time, and this way you have to update all this. That's it. So in this way you can see all this report. So everything is okay now. So in this way this Excel template works. So I hope you have understood this demonstration very well. But if you have any queries, do write to me in the comment section. I will surely reply to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon on the next video.